Hello students, today I am going to start our new chapter, chapter number 15, that is perimeter and area. Firstly, what is perimeter? In geometry, perimeter can be defined as the path or the boundary that surrounds a shape. It can also be defined as the length of the outline of a shape. This is outline of a shape, okay, and length of this outline is called perimeter of this shape. So firstly, perimeter of a square. A, B, C, D. This is a square whose side is A. And perimeter of this square is equals to A plus A plus A plus A. That is equals to 4A. So perimeter of a square is equals to 4 into its side. This is the formula of perimeter of a square, 4 into side. Now perimeter of a rectangle. A, B, C, D. This is a rectangle A, B, C, D. Okay. And length, its length is L and breadth is B. Opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So if is L, then it is also will be L. If is B, then it will be B. So perimeter of this rectangle is equals to L plus B plus L plus B. And that is equals to 2 into L plus B. So perimeter of a rectangle is equals to 2 into length plus breadth. Now perimeter of a triangle. ABC, this is a triangle. Okay students, this is a triangle ABC and its perimeter is equals to A plus B plus C. So perimeter of a triangle is equals to sum of all its side. So perimeter of a equilateral triangle. Three sides of a equilateral triangle are equal in length. So A plus A plus A, that is equals to 3A. So perimeter of a equilateral triangle is equals to 3 into side. So these are the formulas of perimeter. Now area. A closed shape occupies some surface of a plane. The part of the surface enclosed within a closed shape is called its area. Firstly, area of a rectangle. This is a rectangle ABCD. This is its length and this is breadth. So area of a rectangle is given by length into breadth, L into B. Now area of a square. This is a square ABCD and area of a square is given by side into side. So area of a square is equals to side square. Area is equals to A square, where A is the side of the square. Area of rectangle, length into breadth. Area of square, side into side. Now area of a right isosceles triangle. Students, this is a right angled isosceles triangle. It means this is right angled at point vertex A and its AC and AB. These two sides are equal in length and each of length A. So area of triangle ABC is equals to 1 by 2 into base into height, and here base is AB and height is A. So area of this triangle ABC is equals to 1 by 2 into A into A. Area is equals to 1 by 2 into A square. Thus area of a right isosceles triangle is half of the square of its base. Half of the square of its base. Area of a right angled triangle. Friends, this is a right angled triangle ABC which is right angled at B. This is its base, this is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse. Opposite side of right angle is called hypotenuse. And area of a triangle is equals to 1 by 2 into base into perpendicular. So area is equals to 1 by 2 into base B into perpendicular L. This is also called altitude. Thus the area of a right angle triangle is the half of the product of its base and altitude. Half of the product of its base and altitude. Okay students. Now area of a triangle. If a triangle is given and we have to find its area, then area of this triangle ABC is equals to 1 by 2 into base into its height. Area of triangle is equals to 1 by 2 into base into height. Now area of a parallelogram. This is a parallelogram ABCD and BD is a diagonal of this parallelogram. So we can divide this parallelogram into two triangles. This triangle ABD and this triangle BDC. So area of parallelogram is equals to area of two triangles. So area of this triangle equals to 1 by 2 into base into height, and area of this triangle is equals to 1 by 2 into base into height. Area of parallelogram is equals to area of this triangle plus area of this triangle. So area of this triangle is equals to 1 by 2 into base into height, and 1 plus 1 by 2 into base into height. So 1 by 2 into base into height plus 1 by 2 into base into height, that is equals to base into height. So area of a parallelogram is equals to base into height. So students, these are the formulas of perimeter and areas of some shapes. Now we will do some questions of your exercise 15.1. First question is, the perimeter of a square is 64 centimeter. Find its area. Perimeter of a square is given 64 centimeter, and perimeter of a square is equals to 4 into side, and 4 into side is equals to 64 centimeter. This is given in the question, that perimeter of a square is equals to 64 centimeter. So this is the formula of perimeter of a square, 4 into side, and this is equals to 64 centimeter. To find area of a square, firstly we have to find its side. So 4 into side is equals to 64 centimeter. It means side is equals to 64 upon 4. Firstly, we will do transposition of 4 from left hand side to right hand side. Then it will be changed into divide. 64 upon 4, and that is equals to 16 centimeter. So side of this square is 16 centimeter, and this is side of a square, and area of a square is equals to side into side. So area of a square is equals to side into side, that is equals to 16 into 16 centimeter square, and that is equals to 256 centimeter square. Okay students, now question number 2 is, the length and breadth of a rectangular field are 50 meter and 40 meter respectively. Find its area. Length is given 50 meter of a rectangular field, and breadth is given 40 meter, and we have to find its area. So area of a rectangle is equals to length into breadth. So length is 50 meter and breadth is 40 meter. So area of this rectangular field equals to 50 into 40 meter square, and that is equals to 2000 meter square. So area of this rectangular field is equals to 2000 meter square. Now question number 3 of your book is, find the area of a right angle triangle whose base is 15 centimeter and altitude is 8 centimeter. So students, firstly, what is the formula of area of a right angled triangle? That is equals to 1 by 2 into base into its altitude. So base is given 15 centimeter and altitude is given 8 centimeter. So area of a right angle triangle is equals to 1 by 2 into base into altitude, or height. We can call it height. That is equals to 1 by 2, base is 15 and altitude is 8. So 1 by 2 into 15 into 8, that is equals to 15 into 8, 120 upon 2 centimeter square. Unit of area is square, and unit of perimeter is in power 1. So if this is perimeter, there we will be write 60 centimeter, and when this is area we will write it 60 centimeter square. So 120 upon 2 centimeter square. So area is equals to 60 centimeter square. Okay students, now question number 5. The base and height of a triangle are in the ratio 2:3. This is the ratio of base and height of a triangle. If the area of the triangle is 108 centimeter square, area of triangle is given 108 centimeter square, and we have to find its base and height. Ratio of base and height is equals to 2:3. Let base is equals to 2x and height is equals to 3x, and area is given 108 centimeter square. So what is the formula of area of a triangle? That is equals to 1 by 2 into base into height. 1 by 2 into base is equals to 2x and height is equals to 3x, and area is given 108 centimeter square. So 1 by 2 into 2x into 3x is equals to 108 centimeter square. So 1 into 2x into 3x upon 2 is equals to 108 centimeter square. 2x into 3x, 6x square, and 108 into 2. We will do transposition of 2 from left hand side to right hand side, and 108 into 2, that is equals to 216 centimeter square. So 6x square is equals to 216 centimeter square. So x square is equals to 216 upon 6. So x square is equals to 36 centimeter square. So firstly we will find value of x. If x square is 36, then x is square root of 36, and that is equals to 6 centimeter. Square root of 36 is 6 centimeter. Now base is equals to 2x. So base is equals to 2 into 6, because value of x is 6. 2 into 6, that is equals to 12 centimeter, and height is 3x. So height is 3x, that is equals to 3 into 6, and that is equals to 18 centimeter. Now question number 6. ABCD is a parallelogram and BX is perpendicular to CD and BY is perpendicular to AD. If the area of this parallelogram is 1500 centimeter square, then we have to find length of BX and BY. So students, firstly what is the area of the parallelogram? That is equals to base into height. We can take base CD and we can take base as BC. If AB is 50 centimeter, okay, this is given in the question, AB is 50 meter, then ABCD is a parallelogram, then CD is also equals to 50 meter, and BC is 30 centimeter, then AD is also equals to 30 centimeter, because opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal in length. And area is given 1500 centimeter square. When I take CD as a base, when CD is a base, then height is BX. Okay, CD is a base, then height is BX, and area is equals to base into height, that is equals to 1500 centimeter square. So base is CD and height is BX, that is equals to 1500 centimeter square. So BX is equals to 1500 upon 50. We have to find value of BX, then we will do transposition of 50 from left hand side to right hand side, then it will be changed into divide. So BX is equals to 1500 upon 50, and that is equals to 30 centimeter. And when I take BC as a base, when BC is a base, then height is BY. Okay, base BC, then height is BY. So area is base into height of parallelogram. So BC into BY, and BC into BY, BC is 30 centimeter into BY, and area is equals to 1500 centimeter square. So BY is equals to 1500 upon 30, and that is equals to 50 centimeter. So BX is 30 centimeter and BY is 50 centimeter. Okay students, we used a formula that area of parallelogram is equals to base into height. When we take CD as base, then BX is height, and when we take BC as base, then BY is height. Now question number 7. In quadrilateral ABCD, BC is a diagonal and DO is perpendicular to BC and CX is perpendicular to AB. If AB is equals to 25 centimeter, BC is equals to 16 centimeter, CX is equals to 8 centimeter, and DO is equals to 5 centimeter, then we have to find area of this quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is ABCD. Students, this is a triangle ABC, okay, and this is a triangle BCD. Area of this quadrilateral ABCD is equals to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle BCD. Okay, area of this quadrilateral ABCD is equals to area of this triangle plus area of this triangle. AB is 25 centimeter, BC is 16 centimeter, and CX is 8 centimeter, and DO is 5 centimeter. AB is base for triangle ABC and CX is height, and BC is base for triangle BCD and OD is height. So area of quadrilateral ABCD is equals to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle BCD. We divide this quadrilateral into two triangles. So area of triangle ABC is equals to 1 by 2 into base into height, and 1 by 2 base is AB and height is CX. So area of triangle ABC is equals to 1 by 2 into 25 into 8, and that is equals to 100 centimeter square. So area of this triangle is 100 centimeter square. Now area of this triangle BCD, 1 by 2 into BC into OD, because base is BC and OD is height. So 1 by 2 into 16 into 5 centimeter square, and that is equals to 40 centimeter square. So area of this triangle is 100 centimeter square and area of this triangle is equals to 40 centimeter square. So area of this quadrilateral is equals to area of this triangle plus area of this triangle, and that is equals to 100 centimeter square plus 40 centimeter square. 100 plus 40 centimeter square is equals to 140 centimeter square. So area of this quadrilateral is 140 centimeter square. Now question number 9. We have to find area of the shaded region. We have to find area of this region. Friends, ABCD is a square because AB is 16 plus 10, that is equals to 26, and BC is 8 plus 18, that is also equals to 26. So ABCD is a square, and area of this shaded region equals to area of ABCD minus area of this region minus area of this region. When we subtract these two areas from the area of this square, then we can get area of this shaded region. So ABCD is a square, so area of ABCD is equals to side into side, and side is 26 centimeter. So area of ABCD is equals to 26 into 26, and that is equals to 676 centimeter square. And now area of this triangle AEF, okay, that is equals to 1 by 2 into base into height. So base is equals to AE and height is AF. 1 by 2 into 16 into 8, that is equals to 64 centimeter square. Now area of this triangle ABG. EB is 10 centimeter and BG is 18 centimeter. This is given in the question. So 1 by 2 into 10 into 18, and that is equals to 90 centimeter square. So area of shaded region equals to area of square minus area of triangle AEF plus area of triangle EBG. 676 minus 64 plus 90. So 64 plus 90 is equals to 154 centimeter square. So we will do subtract 154 from 676 centimeter square. Then we get 522 centimeter square. So area of this shaded region equals to 522 centimeter square. So students, this is your exercise 15.1. Now do this exercise in your notebook, and if you face any problem in any other question, then you can ask me.